Welcome to a creative journey that's not only fun but also profitable. In today's digital age, content creation is a driving force behind online success, and Canva is a versatile tool that can turn your creative ideas into captivating visuals. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to leverage the power of Canva to bulk create 60+ short-form content pieces and, in the process, unlock new avenues for earning money. Whether you're a content creator, a social media enthusiast, or a business owner, this guide will show you how to maximize your efforts and generate income with Canva. So let's get started. So, guys, first go to Google and search ChatGPT and wait. After waiting, you give a prompt about "give me a love fact 60 prompts" and give me this in a sheets column. To adjust the sheets and wait when ChatGPT give you prompts. So, go to Google and search sheets.google.com and click the create new, and copy the all text and paste B column to all texts and type A column name. Okay. Second, go to Canva and search YouTube Shorts and click the first options. So you see many options, but you go to Elements and search Romantic Place and go to Videos and select once video. All right. And when you select the video, so back to Elements and you see rectangle shape. So click them and adjust the timeline. So second, go to text options and select one text, like this, and give a text and love fact and adjust the timeline, and go to effects and select the shadow. All right, guys. This is step 1. So go to the step 2. So you see down, bulk create options. So click them and you see A options. So, click them, and click the Enter manual. Okay, and give your script on set it to last. All right, guys, and click the Done options, and you see your options. So guys, click in the love fact and facts. All right, guys, and comment this. So, click the Continue. You guys, so, ready are all videos. Okay, and click the download button. So, this is the third step. Go to YouTube and click your YouTube logo and go to YouTube Studio and click the upload video. So, guys, upload your 60 videos. All right, and there you have it. The key to transforming your creative energy into a sustainable source of income. Canva's user-friendly interface and powerful features make it the ideal platform to bulk create short-form content that captures your audience's attention. By following the techniques we've covered, you can not only streamline your content production, but also open the door to various monetization opportunities. Whether you choose to sell your designs, promote your brand, or engage in affiliate marketing, Canva's capabilities are your ticket to financial success in the digital world. So, go ahead, unleash your creativity, and start earning money with Canva today.